And what's up, everyone? We are back at it yet again. So yes, appreciate you all for tuning in. So yeah, we are back on live, guys. Really appreciate it. So let's get ready to get, hold on one second, TikTok live now at everyone. Cool. We are on live now, guys. Really appreciate you all for tuning in back in. Yeah, so today is going to be a great day, great week. So far, two of my plays from over the weekend are looking pretty good. First take profit is hit. Got in pretty early with this one. This looks really good. Apple, we did gap up, couple dollars up. So just looking for that momentum to go up. So yeah, it's going to be a great week. Yo, good morning. What's up, Jalen? What's up? I got you with PLTR. Got you with everything, guys. Yo, Marco, what's up, man? Shout out to Jalen. I got you with SPY. Yeah, that's the first thing we'll go over. I'll go over PLTR. We'll go over pretty much everything, guys. So yeah. All right. So let's see here. Hopefully, you guys can see my screen. Okay, 1 second. So maybe I need to turn it down. All right. Yeah, perfect. All right, let's get straight to it, guys. Really appreciate you all for tuning back in. All right, hold on. Let me go ahead and fix this. All right, so for SPY, this is what I have here currently. 1 second. All right, perfect. All right, for SPY, pretty self-explanatory here. Honestly, I don't really see anything on the 4-hour that I personally like. Let's move down to a lower time frame. Let's go down to possibly a 1 hour, 2 hour. Ooh, possibly even a 30-minute time frame. Hold on, 30-minute, maybe even a 15-minute will be great here. Oh yeah, so this looks pretty well. So yeah, what do we have here? And right here we have, as you know, Potter boxes in the NB space. Honestly, you can see I got in pretty early for DKNG. First take profit was hit. So hopefully we can keep staying up. Same thing with Apple. Had Apple did end up gapping up. I got in pretty early too as well. So hoping that movement is up. Keep them going. So right here for SPY, what do we see here first? Clear, empty space above us. That's, yes, I would love to take to the downside. In order for us to do this, what exactly do we need, guys? And yes, this is a 15-minute chart, so more of a day trade. Definitely would not swing this at all. But all we need, guys, top wall and the bottom wall. So area of consolidation. And, yo, thanks for the follow, man. And all that I'm personally waiting for, guys, is a break underneath this wall. This 569.73. And yes, I will take this down to where I see resistance. And I don't see any resistance once we break down below, all the way until we reach down here. So that is going to be my resistance area that I am targeting to the downside. But yeah, that looks absolutely fire. So from the 569 to the 565, first take profit, if we can end up breaking below, would actually be the middle of the move. So middle of the move is what, the 50% mark, the imbalance. So yes, let's just say if we do end up breaking and closing under this 569.73, my first take profit is this 567.41. So yes, the middle of the move is where I would, trim. This is the imbalance. And it's because, yes, we can reverse here. So this is where I would take most profits if we do get the entry. Final take profit is this 565.08. Yo, what's up, dude? What's a good broker? Personally, I use TradeStation. I've used, Robinhood, Webull, Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim is good too. It's just more difficult. But I would say TradeStation. Robinhood is decent. It's just, it likes to play around a lot. Let's just put it like that. But that is pretty much it for the Qs. Let's go to PLTR. You guys want to see that as well? Yeah, thanks for the follows, guys. Really appreciate it. So yeah, I will be completely honest here. 24-hour. Yeah, so I will be honest. I was waiting on this one. My alert didn't go off, but we did end up breaking above this wall. I should have swung it. Yeah. So yeah, I will be up what, $3 right now. So I'm surprised my alert didn't go off. But what do we have? So same thing here. And yes, we had the clear empty space down below. We had a wall that needed to be broken. So this wall that I needed to break above was body candle wick, closing at the same line. And I personally, yeah, so we broke above like the last 30 minutes at market. I didn't even see it. So maybe some of my members did, but we'll just have to see. We did break above, so I should have entered, but I didn't even see it. But hopefully we can keep going up to this 101.82. Final target this 113.18. So that looks really good. Yes, I did miss it. So personally, I don't want to chase a move like this because if it goes back down, my stop loss is 90.59. So I don't want to, you know, over a $3 move stop loss. So I mean, if it leaves me, it leaves me. Maybe I have a light entry, but we'll just have to see on that. So, yo, thanks for the follow, bro. What's the best time frame to trade? So the best time to trade, I trade at the end of the day. So yes, the last 30 minutes, the last hour of market open, I swing trade. And as you can see, like DKNG, this was one I swung. So yes, I think we were just a little bit above when I got in, and we gapped up, hit my first target. Same thing with Apple. Like, yes, we were really above this wall here, this like 216. So I got in fairly, like, just a little bit above where I wanted to, but look what happened. We gapped up from this 216. So I don't know if you can see this 216 up to this 220. So yes, swing trading is what I personally do in the Discord, and you can see, thanks y'all for calling it. Like, you can see like a whole bunch of different members here. And swing trading, like as you can see, yes, I wait for the higher time frames, the 4-hour, the 24-hour time frame. Clear move down, we break above the wall, we should go up and tap. So so all these setups I'm showing you are pretty much the same exact thing. So as you can see, thank you Put Brothers, ready for next week. You can basically see that. Hold on one second. So yeah, 24-hour time frame, boom. Clear move up, I'm taking it to the downside. If we break, boom. Or clear move down, we break above a wall, I should take it to the upside. So yeah, guys, not financial advice, entertainment, educational. But yeah, this is really what I'm seeing here. Yeah, the 24-hour is pretty much my best friend. Yo, what's up, Green? How are you, bro? Dude, Alexander, let me know the ticket for that. But did I swing KO? So yeah, I did swing KO, but so KO was more of a very light entry. So I will be honest, like most of my entries that I do swing over the weekend, I pretty much do not go heavy at all. So it's only because the market can reverse, and I do like to have fresh starts on Monday. But yeah, as for right now, KO still looks pretty decent. We still have the empty space below that looks good. We did break under my wall. Same thing with DKNG, so we swung that one. Obviously, yes, it can reverse, so hopefully we can just keep staying up. That would be great. Same thing with Apple. We swung that, and look, we gapped up. So that was great. Let's see. Let's keep going. Wait, hold on, what? IWM. Did I have something here? Oh, yeah, cool, perfect. So, let me see. Dude, where's my pen, dude? Pen, where are you, bro? I need my pen right now. So, I don't know where my pen is. Give me a second. Okay, no pen, it's fine. I'll just set my alerts. This looks fairly decent. So yeah, IWM, this looks pretty good. I could definitely end up swinging this one to the upside at some point in a given time. Probably set an alert right. Actually, let me set an alert right here. Alright, so cool. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's keep on going, guys. I gotta put for NVIDIA 60. Yeah, I'll look at NVIDIA too. GALT LLY. Yeah, let's look at that. So, you guys probably want to see the cues. Someone's going to ask me about the cues later. So let's go ahead and get that done now, and let's see what happened, guys. Boom. I think I went over this on Friday. So we had a top wall, bottom wall. What happens? We gapped up. So we gapped up. There was empty space here, and you can see it worked out great. Can I do this live from my phone? So Lex, yeah, you can do. I trade on my phone a lot, so trading on my phone, and yes, I chart on my phone. Obviously, I use a MacBook because so my members can see exactly what I'm looking at, and you know they can pick and choose which trades they want to take with me. Obviously, yes, I do post a lot of trades, but you know if you're one of my members, you don't have to take every single trade that I post. Only the ones that you like. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's keep on going, guys. TradeStation have free live data market. I'm pretty sure they do. I chart on TradingView though, so I don't really look at any of the charts on any brokers. But all right, so for the Qs, I can definitely see us at least. So if it were to keep going up, I can see it up to this 490.42. That looks really fire. But if we want to go to our lower time frame trade, there's possible downside here. So let's see. We'll go down to maybe a 15 minute. So same thing with SPY. So this is pretty self-explanatory here that I'm currently seeing. So yeah, looks really good. So right now, let's see. All right, so here's the top wall, bottom wall. All right, cool. All right, yep, got it. I just need to see where my walls were. Alright. Yeah, thanks for the follows, guys. Really appreciate it. Guys and gals, thanks for the follows. So, yeah, top wall here. Alright, top. Yeah, bottom there. So, this is basically an area of consolidation. And I'm targeting empty space. And basically what empty space is where there's no consolidation. So, you can see this big gap up that has no consolidation whatsoever. So this is exactly what I want to the downside. But in order for us to do this, we need to break underneath a wall. Yo, just me and my charts. Good morning, good morning. How are you today? So yeah, under this 486.09, let's just say we do break up under that. Yeah, I'm taking that one down till where I see resistance, and that is, sorry guys, to this 481. So this is a $5 move down. Yes, my first take profit will always be the middle of the move. So yes, the 50% mark, and yeah, the 50% mark is, let's see, where is that? This 483.96. So that looks really, really good, really fire. But yeah, we can keep going up. I think we're going to keep going up, but if we do end up breaking down below, I can see it to the downside. So that's pretty much it. And yes, if you're asking what type of trades that my team and I take, we take higher time frame trades. I know this camera is a little bit blurry. I'm not sure why. But yeah, higher time frame trades, guys. 1 second. All right, that should be a little bit better. Hopefully. 1 second. Actually, 1 second, guys. Give me like 1 second. Can you do XLF? Yeah, dude. Yeah. So I just started the live, so I'll be pretty much on for a good minute before market opens. So yeah, so let's keep on going. So same thing. Let's go over target. You want to go over LLY too as well. Let's go over that. So LLY. Shout out to Green. I got you, my guy. So let's go ahead and get rid of all this. Let's do it. So let's start fresh here. All right. So let's see. All right. So LLY, we do have. So what is the good news here? We do have this empty space below us, and we would love to take this to the upside. Yo, what's up? So TLT, I've got you. I can do that as well. Is swing trading better way to start off due to? So I personally think swing trading, obviously not financial advice or anything, but I personally think swing trading is a lot better. It offers, well, at least for me and my team, it offers me less stress. With day trading, it could be quick moves, and yes, you can market those quick moves, but I don't care about quick moves. I want quality moves that, that my team and I can actually, take, and I just let it sit overnight, and boom, I just wake up in the morning, and we should end up taking profits, and that's pretty much it. So DKNG, like, we swung this one, and as you can see, it's still trying to skyrocket now. So pretty much, I just wait for my end of day swings. Maybe I do have some day trades, But personally, man, like, I don't know. I used to day trade a lot, so, and once I found swing trading, once I found the Potter box, like, I was like, man, I feel so, you know, dumb for just day trading, trying to day trade when it was so much easier. But yeah, you can just trade in a cash camp for sure. Should I buy your course or Potter's course? Dude, you just buy Potter's course, dude. Potter's lit, man. Obviously, I do have a course. It offers 2 free months in the Discord, but dude, yeah. If you want, you can buy Potter's. Potter's lit, man. So make sure to give him some love, all that good stuff. So yeah, LOY. Let's go back to this one. Kind of look at wait for it. Yeah, I got you guys. I got pretty much all of you. Hold on. So obviously, yeah, you guys don't have to buy my course or anything like that. But yeah, Potter's cool, man. So, boom, clear, move down. All these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yeah, this looks really good, man. So, what do we need here? We need a top wall and a bottom wall. So honestly, I would want to take this trade if we can get over this top here. So this top is at this 846. Hold on, can you guys even see this? All right, so 846. This looks really good to the upside. 1 second here. So if we can end up breaking above this wall, I can see us going all the way up to where I see resistance. I don't see any resistance until, boom, this red candle here. Yes, you can have it here, but I want this full move here. And what I'm basically waiting for, guys, is a break above this 846.20, and this is a move up to this 901.89. So actually, insane move. So yeah, right now we break above that wall. I can definitely see us going up to this 874.15, and finally this 901.89. So that looks really fine. That looks really decent to the upside as well. Also, let me know if you guys can see my screen well. If you need me to turn my brightness up or turn it down, just let me know. Just need some feedback on that really quickly. But yeah, that looks good. Yo, Bam Bam, thanks for the follow, man. Really appreciate it. So you guys wanted to see LOY? We just did that. Let's see. So TLT, we gotta go over that. Let's go over, so GALT. Yo, I got you, Alexander. I did not forget about you at all. I promise you, bro. So yeah, let me go to the 24-hour time frame. Let's see if we have anything different. So I'm looking for the same exact thing every single time. Alright, so yeah, we do, there's this clear, clear empty space. Hold on. Ooh, okay. Alright, so clear empty space above us that absolutely looks pretty decent. So right here is exactly what I want. Yo, Juice, I got you with the cues. Yeah, we can go over that again. No worries, my guy. Really appreciate it for tuning in. So yeah, what do we need? Top wall, bottom wall here. I am taking these wicks in consideration too, so just gotta be careful. I personally would want to take this over this 176. My first trim would be where I see resistance, this 189, but I would want to take it all the way up to this 200. So, or this 200. So that looks really good to the upside, not bad. So that's on GLAT. Let's go over some more trades. So W, guys want to see WTLT, XLF. Yo, Elliot, I got you, man. XLF. Yeah, we can do that for you as well. Oh, dude, you might be onto something. This looks, yeah, this looks great. This looks great. Let me see. I'm just trying to check my trades really quickly. Obviously, I have light entries on pretty much everything, so. Alright, so yeah, this looks pretty good, man. I definitely like this one. Let me go down to a lower time frame, possibly. Alright, now. So yeah, I like this 24-hour trade here. And all that I'm personally waiting for, guys. Yeah, so what do we see here? This is pretty good. And yes, we have empty space below us and above us. I personally would want to target this upside though. So first thing I see here, guys, what do we see? Hold on, give me a second here. I want you guys to see my full screen. Alright, perfect. Alright, so clear, clean, move down with no red candles interfering. This looks really good. Can you do the video? Yeah, I got you in the video. No worries, my guy. No worries at all. So we need the top wall and the bottom wall. Obviously, points of contact. So top wall, bottom wall here. So yes, this top wall that I personally see here, I have wick here, body candle, and also another body candle closing at the same line. So this is exactly where I see, okay, these candles are having a very hard time getting over. So if we can end up breaking and closing above this wall, I can see us going up until where I see resistance, and I'm using this green candle here. And that looks really, really fire to the upside. So, yeah, that looks pretty good. Possibly end of day entry, I would wait. So yes, all of my trades, or my ones I pretty much go heavy in, are at the end of the day. And yes, if you are in my Discord or planning on joining, I will be honest, I wait to the end of the day for my swing. So yes, we may have a couple day trades here and there, but mostly I'm not a day trading group, so we aren't a day trading group. Yes, I do find them. We did catch a lot of day trades last week, but end of day swings is where I'm focusing at. So the last hour. Maybe you look at Mara. Yeah, I got you. No worries. I can look at Mara. I can look at everything. If you guys need any help with any charts, obviously not financial advice, but yeah, just drop the comments down below. I got you all. So yeah, above this like for this 49.83, yeah, that looks pretty decent up to this 50.45. Final target is 51.07. So that looks good. Are you still gonna trade CCL? I'll have to look at that. I'll have to look at that as well. So after NVDA, did I do TLT? So 1 second. So TLT, 1 second. You guys want to see this one as well? Let's see. Oh, okay, yeah. This looks great. This looks pretty good. So yeah, this looks, yo, just me and my charts. This is great. Like, so what do we see here first? So same exact thing here, guys. 1 second. So same thing here. Pretty self-explanatory. Boom, clear, clean move up of no consolidation. So this is exactly what I want to the downside. Can you look at Uber? Yeah, I can look at Uber. I got you, Quincy, no worries. Yo, good morning. If the play you are looking for happened before market open, you still go. So I will be honest, like, if the play, like, let's just say for, let's see. Oh, DKNG looks great. So let's just say if a play does already happen. So let me go over this example right here really quickly, and then I got you with this analysis, the question you just asked. So yes, we need a top wall and a bottom wall here as well. So top wall, I like this bottom wall. So this bottom wall I have here, yes, I could have used this body candle, but I've seen one wick here and another wick here closing at the same line. So, you know, this is the points of contact I need for it to break. And let's just say we break under this 89.77. The end of the day, yes, the end of the day I would swing it if we can get the entry. Final take profit is where I see resistance, and that is right here. So this is a move. This is like what I'll have to look at the contracts, but from the 89 to the 88.78. And basically what I am waiting for is a break. So yes, if we break under that wall here, first take profit will be this 89.27, and final take profit this 88.78. So let's just say before market open, we have a clean move down, and my first take profit is about to be hit. So I personally would never chase it. I'm gonna be like, you know what, it's cool, whatever, we'll move on to the next stop. And sometimes that happens. Sometimes it happens, and it's perfectly fine. Just you just don't want to chase it, because if it's near my imbalance, it could reverse there. So you just have to be very careful. But I will be honest, if I do enter into a trade like that and I chase, which I rarely chase, it will be a very light entry, knowing that I can lose that trade. So, and that's pretty much that. So CCL and the Qs, yep, got you guys. 1 second here. So CCL and the Qs. So let me go over the Qs again really quickly. So yeah, got you guys. So you buy, yeah. So I know it sounds absolutely wild, absolutely crazy, but yes, we do. And as you can see, like, everything that I post here, you can see that we buy contracts at the end of the day, and we sell them in the morning. So you can see trim most of my contracts. That was